Welcome to the lesson today. Now in this video we'll talk about circles and tangents, and in particular I'm going to explain how to construct tangents to a circle from a point, say X, outside the circle, and again we'll also look at how to construct tangent to a circle at a point, say X, lying on the circumference of the circle. So to begin with the first part, the first step is to join the center to the point X, and then the next thing is to bisect. So we're going to bisect line OX. So we proceed as follows. So after bisecting OX, let us call the point of bisection M. Now we're going to use MX as the radius, so take the pair of compasses at point M and consider the radius MX. Now using that radius, we will come and put an arc on the circumference on the upper part and also on the lower part of the circle as shown. So with that, the next thing is to join point X to the respective points we've marked. And therefore the lines that we have drawn are the tangents to the circle. Moving to the next part, in order to draw the tangent to the circle at point X on the circumference, we will again proceed as follows. So we join point O to X and to produce the line, and then taking a pair of compasses, consider again the length OX. Now maintaining the radius OX, we come to the opposite side of OX and mark as shown. Now let's call this point R. Now considering length OR, we are going to bisect it. So we bisect as follows. So from here we notice that the perpendicular bisector of OR becomes the tangent to the circle at point X as we have desired. So that is how we construct tangents to a circle at a point on the circumference and at a point outside the circle as shown. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.